How to avoid the house flips sob stories. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. What you don't see on many of the television shows about flipping houses are the many sad tales of promising flips gone wrong. These epic tales of woe are often the precursors to financial hardships for quite some time, as those who fail at their property flips work on recovering from their heavy losses and moving on with their lives. Some are hit harder than others, but the snowball effect of a bad flip is rarely mentioned on the prime time television shows that are so proud of the many success stories. Before we learn how to avoid these house flipping pitfalls, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. If you're planning to flip a house, you really need to take a step back and decide that you are absolutely not going to be one of the house flip sob stories that are rumored about in the internet chat rooms. In fact, you want to be listed among the success stories. Unfortunately, that takes a great deal of proper training that is almost never shown on these television shows. In fact, to put forth your best effort, you need to devote as much time to studying and planning properties, prices, and home values in your area before you even begin to search for your first property to flip, as you need to invest in the entire process of actually working on your first flip. In other words, months worth of planning need to go into your first property pick in order to lower the risk of failure and to greatly improve your odds of success. The second thing you need to do when planning your first flip and avoiding a sad tale is to be realistic and avoid great expectations. With your first flip, you are darned lucky to turn a profit at all. If you are expecting to make more money on your first flip than you made last year as a full-time employee, you might need to make other plans. The first flip rarely goes as expected. Third, you need to set aside at least twice as much money, preferably 3 times as much, as you think you will need for the work on the property in order to cover the actual costs that will be needed. There are inevitably tools, permits, supplies, and labor that wasn't counted on in the initial budget figures, as well as a tendency to seriously underestimate the cost of the materials that will be needed in order to get the job done. If you don't have that much or can't spend that much and walk away without a loss, then the property you are considering might not be the best property for your first flip. Finally, you need to plan everything. Every day needs to be fully planned before you show up to work on the property, and you need to have all the materials you will need on hand, from lunch to drinks to tools and supplies. Trips to the hardware store, lunch breaks, and coffee runs quickly kill a day and any productivity that may have been made during that day. Avoid these costly delays by proper planning, and you will discover that you have a real estate investing success story worth writing home about. If you want to learn how to find real estate deals, BirdDogBot can help. It's a software that helps investors find deals more quickly and efficiently. It also provides daily updates so you can evaluate current market conditions and real estate trends to make your investments safe by all means. Don't miss out. The link is in the description below. Thank you for spending time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.